Hello students, I hope you are taking good care of your health and washing your hands properly. This is your teacher Anju ma'am, and today we are going to draw different sources of water. Children, have you ever noticed that when we feel thirsty, we drink water? We use water to take bath, to wash the clothes, to water the plants, to cook food, etc. So, water is very essential for our survival. Even plants and animals need water to survive. Can you tell me from where do we get water? No? Okay, I will tell you. We get water from rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, taps, etc. These are the different sources of water. One more thing I want to tell you, that the main and natural source of water is rain. Alright? So students, we will draw rain, tap, river and a well. Ma'am is going to draw with sketch pen. You have to draw with pencil. So kids, let's get started. Firstly, we will draw the picture of rain. Draw a cloud like this. We will draw another cloud here. Draw very beautifully and neatly. Now we will draw small standing lines like this. Draw again small standing lines. My dear students, as I have already told you that we get water from rain, so rain is the main source of water. Now draw our next picture. Our next picture is tap. Draw two standing lines like this. Join them with small sleeping lines. Draw two sleeping lines like this. Again we will draw two standing lines like this. Draw an oval. Draw a big circle here. A small circle we will draw. We will draw a small circle here. Now we will draw small standing lines. Tell me, what is this? This is tap, and we get water from tap. This is another source of water. Now we will draw our next picture. Our next picture is river. Draw with ma'am like this. Draw a zigzag line like this. My dear students, very neatly and beautifully you will draw zigzag line. Okay, now we will draw small sleeping lines like this. Do you know there are so many rivers in India like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Satluj, etc. River is an important source of water. Now let's move to our next picture, that is well. Draw two standing lines Draw an oval like this. Now we will draw sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will draw small standing lines like this. You can see more wells in villages. Now we will draw a sleeping line here. Now we will draw a zigzag line for rope. Here we will draw a bucket. Draw 2 slanting lines here. Join them with a sleeping line. Draw an oval here. Draw a standing line here. Draw small circles like this. Draw a handle like this. What is this? This is bucket. My dear students, we take out water from well with the help of rope and bucket. Okay. So students, we have drawn 4 sources of water: rain, tap, river and well. Color all these pictures like this. So children, practice more sources of water like pond, lake, sea, etc. in your drawing notebook. So practice all the pictures very neatly. Have fun. Bye bye.